para kay Rene. Kahit sa'yo, Lodi. Ang ganda ng kaligan ng kabilang team. Parehas na. Ang ganda ng kaligan na to. Pase ito, kahit ito rin. Solid mo talaga sa mga player ng ating cup. Yan na. Magsisimula na. Ang first game natin, Agpuan versus Katulakay. Ajanustan, Tugasin. Out of bounds tayo. Bola ng Katulakay. Shout out Katulakay. By Federico Gonzaga. Shout out Dan Herrera. Shout out Chinita. Shout out Michael Jimenez. Shout out Caro Walder. Manaw, laminawan ang bola. Third quarter para kay Ana. Ayos pwede ka na. Outside. Bola ng Agpuan. Kasi yan. Ang ganda no? Grabe! Mamang-mama! Ang layo na! Ay! Opo! Aray ko! Shoutout Jeffrey Mirante! Istilian! Ali! Istilian! Lapaw! Basic na basic yan para kay Lapaw! Kasama ang ito natin yan! Aldo Terry getting the play! Aldo Terry!
Gogi yan! Woo!
Shout out sa mga idol na nanonood ngayon kasi kay Boss Eric, Tarikahanan, kay Boss Nick Leon, kay Kevin. Yan. Shout out Gerald, shout out Albert Copia, shout out sa inyong mga boss. Pagitan! Wala! Wala pa rin!
Ay, okay.
Grabe, sinistignan, kayuan lang. Shout out Michael Mercado Jimenez. May nakuha pa. Foul number 50. May hold tayo doon. Bola ng Agpuan. First personal foul. First foul. Wala. Mala. Ay, mahina pala, mahina. Nabo, setting the play. Pinasay Manaw, Manaw, wala! Ay! Aray ko!
Yes!
Grabe naman si Ali. Ali, kakain na! Labaw, dato pa masahan. Pinasakay Nabo. Nabo na Manaw. Nabitawan ang bola! Pompis, pinagkailangan tayo sa push, ha? Shout out kayo, pinapagain! Nasa ka na, Boss Leopin, balik ka na! Shout out Kati Lee! Kasir! Ali! Huli yan! Easy basket yan! Score natin! 8-4! Ali Tibir ang play!
Go! Good job!
I-score natin 8-7! Lamang pa rin ang Katulakay ng isa! Shout out Dan Herrera! Ike Yamares, 9 la defensa. Shout out sa ating mga
Go, Jake!
Espinosa. Yan yan, tama. Matkoy-Bema. Guys,
Foul ka din!
foul number 1. 21. Yan, dinipler tayo. Kasi number 2. First personal foul. Second is foul. Unang tira, wala.
Go Batil Cafe! DJ!
Pangalawang tira, pumasok. All 8 tayo, all 8 na. All 8 na tayo. Salamat, Boss Girl. Boss Kevin,
Go, Jake!
Lakay. Shout out, Boss Kevin. Boss Kevin, ano nangyari sa'yo? JR, humina na 3! Wala ka, hindi ka makuha ang puso.
Go Jake!
Kasi, pinasa. Pahad! Wala rin! Pahad! Tama ni Magain! Nakuha!
Woo!
Wala!
Foul!
Shoot! Five to shoot! May nakuha pa!
Good job!
Foul number 26! Number 26, first personal foul, 13 foul! Shout out Ali Maros! Kay Steph Rosales! Shout out Albert Matias!
Go Kian! Woo!
Manang! Easy basket para kay Manang!
Go John!
Aldo Sir! Tumira lang na sa layo! Wala! Kapos!
Layo no!
Jose, nabuhay ka! Nagbubukaan na, ingin mo ka rin! Wala! Sumablay! Ayan na si Boss Omar, patay na kayo! Ay, kayo na! Natay ko stick by Boss Omar! Nagkaroon na tayo! Shout out Andrea Magpusi! Shout out Hans Picheto! Shout out Albert Matias! Ani Tumira!
Yes! Good job!
Ali Fordy! Start na in favor of Kabuan Cafe Restaurant. Shout out Resto Lima, shout out. Basketball game tayo! Basketball game! Di Boss Thomas, dapat balik dari laro eh. May wala ko yan. Atlet na bawal ng laro. Bukas! Aldia Magsusi, shout out sa lahat ng viewers. Damang ang agpuan naman sa Tatulakay. Number 16, Labaw! Easy basket ka para kay Labaw! Basic eyes here. Kasi ang tira, wala! Bawal pa!
Good! Go Kian!
Malakas! Nakuha ni Kian, Alaga! Basket count may kasama ka pa! Number 6! Foul number 6! Balls na tayo sa rep! Aquino in! Gitpego in! Kaser out! Antoseri out! Masukin niyo po si Alvin, malakas yan! May John Michael Cabinon! Shout out Eric Santa Ana! Sa prep! Elijah E! Dian out! Remaining time, 1 minute and 51 seconds! Pag-antak-antakan to, Yakang versus Veteran! And shoot.
Woo!
Jersey number 6, the big man. Points. Nice pick.
Laban!
Rebound battle. Was jersey number 19.
Go, you
Jersey
won!
number 7. Pass to jersey number 89.
Yes! Good job, Wins!
Easy 2 points there. It's a foul. Nice call by the referee. Foul, jersey number 19. Pushing foul. First personal foul and second free foul. Para sa pula ng Tagpuan. Jersey number 19 passes jersey number 16 Andaya. That shoot. Andaya pumps. No good.
Yes.
Rebound by the big man. Bounce pass.
Go, Lige!
Para kay jersey number 18. Up.
Yes!
Yes, sir. There's a foul. And check now, hand check. Foul in jersey number 6 on the white. Second personal foul and third quick foul para sa punahan ng Tagpuan. 19 seconds remaining in our first period. First try is no good. Second try, it's good. Split charity para kay jersey number 15 para sa unahan ng Tagulakay. 15 seconds.
Go, Wins!
10 seconds. 5, wait for the buzzer.
Uy, uy!
That is the end of our first period. 23-3 in favor of Tagulakay. At shoutout po sa mga home viewers natin. Kay John Michael Camillon and John Dale Lopez. Shoutout sa inyo dyan. Aquino got a last ball from the inbound. Pass jersey number 18, Wood. Looking for teammates, Gadi Candaya. Pass jersey number 20 to Aquino. Back to 0-0. Oh, there's a traveling violation. That is a good call by the referee. Oy, si Idol, dito pala sa Tagulakay. Jersey number 26. Habad. No. Jersey number 26. Easy 2 points there. Nice play. Para sa muna ng Tagulakay. Aquino setting a play. Looking for his teammates. Pass to Wood. Uy, nakapunti kang nawala ang bola. Jersey number
Uy!
18. No good. Shoutout din po kay Michael Jimenez and Arman Tipona. Happy viewing po sa mga home viewers natin. That shoot! Oy, nakakuha ang bola. Nagmamadaling ngayon. Jersey number 89, Aquino. Uy! Ilang pa siya?
Uy, isa!
Nakapulot. Andaya! Andaya! Bounce! Uy! Good time doon! Good time doon! Ano? Era, that shoot! Ano, look for the 5 seconds! 4 seconds shot clock! 4 seconds shot clock! Nakapas na labas mo! There's a foul! There's a foul there! Foul of jersey number 0 on white. First personal foul and first foul para sa punahan ng Tagpuan. Second foul, no good. Rebound by jersey number 18.
Go, isa! Go, Wes!
Forward pass. Drop pass sa gitna. Kaso na steal ang bola. Makino kayo nagmamadali. Jersey number 18.
Go, Liza!
Easy play. Pero sa gitna na. Nagpuan. Forward pass para kay Bala. Bala. Ay, tatapit na si Don. Last touch. Time out! Datulakan. Okay, lapit lang po. Pag gusto mag-time out para makakalig natin. Officials, shoutout po po sa mga home viewers natin. John Del Locas and Biobin Bagay. Also, shoutout po. Jersey number 18, Wood. Oy, natabig na sundot ni Mana. Para pa sa kanya rin ang bola. Jersey number 0-0, no good. Napunta kayo kay jersey number 2, 1-6. Makapas. Penetrates. There's a foul. Nakakuha ng foul doon. Foul ng jersey number. White jersey number 39 or 89. Aquino, that is your first personal foul. It's second team foul para sa punan ng Haguan. Second drive. It's good. Oy, no basket. Stepping on the line. No basket tayo doon. Side naman ang free throw. Time remaining natin. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Official score, 29-18 pa rin. Will. To 0-0. Block down. Tiaw Robin. Rebound battle. Nakapas for jersey number 3. Tumala na. Sila bola kayo. Jersey number 3. Nagpapatayo.
Ay!
Nakakuha ni Kairas. Ang bola.
Uy!
Pass para kay Kaya. Kaya using the glass. No good. Rebound jersey number 11. The big man. Jersey number 11.
Dij! Sorry, Dij!
Aquino, got a basketball from the inbound. To jersey number 11, penetrates. Four shot na iba. Nakuha naman ang bola. Ano papasan? Makapas, got a basketball from the rebound. Makapas, penetrates. There's a foul. Foul with jersey number. Lucky foul, 0-0. Second personal foul at 0-0 at third. Team foul. Jersey number 11, jersey number 7, delivering ball.
Ay!
Oy! Miscommunication here para sa punan ng Tagpuan.
Sayang.
Official score natin 29-19, 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Four shot, out of bounds tayo. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Jersey number 18. Substitution rep. Mariani, mana on? Mga idol natin yan. Gerali nagdadala ng bola. To Aquino, Aquino, lob, chupo, it's no good. Rebound pa na laban na jersey number 11. Last foul, jersey number 16. Pushing foul on here. First personal foul, jersey number 16 Andaya. And the first team foul para sa kunahan ng Datulagay. Hey! Dito violation. There's a substitution trap. Nabot. Kaya si Mariano tumukol. Gustong sumubok. No good. Rebound by Mr. Ali. Ali ngayon, nagtadala ng bola. Ali penetrates. Natabig na si Pep. Steal by jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 21 using the board. No good. Number 26 is 2 points. Nakapulot ng bola. Ali penetrates, drop pass, jersey number 7,
Sayang!
Tension, nakapit na si John, nasupal pa lang sa baba. Jersey number 15, good ball, meron tayo sa katalon, nagano pa para sa jersey number 21, Nahor. Nahor penetrate, drop pass para kay jersey number 15. Easy 2 points. What a reverse moves. Technical! And a technical foul in jersey number 20. Not wearing proper uniform.
Isa.
Yes. First personal foul and second team foul para sa pananan ng S1. Or fourth.
So if you're on Hapoon
Simple tayo, simple. 19 second shot natin. 19 second shot clock. Aquino from downtown. Air ball.
Bakit ano yung kanina mo? Bakit? Nino?
Uy, meron tayong foul. Oh, technical again. Fading. Okay, technical in jersey number 4 for Latin spot. Latin spot technical, jersey number 4. And first personal foul and second team foul. Yan, sa kabila po dito, sa kabila po dito. Kabila po dito, kabila. Yes po, number 4, Mariano, that is your first personal foul and second team foul. Bonus blow para kay jersey number 20 for our technical foul. It's good.
Oh, yan!
Ball possession natin, white. Ball possession, white. Section. Jersey number 20. Masyado naman ka. Nice steal, pero nakuha pa ng Mariano. Nakapag nasupot sa gitna. Naka jersey number 7. Or meron tayong foul doon. On the jersey number 26. Makatas. That is your second personal foul. And third team foul.
Parang 3 na yata yun eh.
Second personal foul. And third team foul. Shoutout tayo kay Rizalde Merciosa. Shoutout po, happy viewing po sa mga nanonood sa kanilang bahay.
Going!
Aquino to lead ball. Pumasok din sa wakas. 35-33. 15 seconds remaining. Mariano back to 10 seconds. Ali. Sir Ali, back to ball. Forward pass. Defensive 7 steal. Defensive 5 seconds. Oh. That is the end of our first half. Number 20 came around that one. Shoutout po kay Mr. Wito Legacy. Start the third period. Bumukod lang ang rest. Gusto sumubok. Wala. Dito ang jersey number 12. Whoa. Paso, jersey number 2. Ito po, speed move. Wow! There's the block. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo, same ball. Last touch white. Same ball tayo. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Shoot! Good, jersey number 15. Time to shoot. Number 15. Good, Idol. Good. Jersey number 1, jersey number 2, Wendy, back to jersey number 1, jersey number 1, penetrates, back to jersey number 11, bounce. The pyramid. No, out of bounds. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 1 to Mr. Ali. Ali, bounce, fade away shot. Nice. Jersey number 20, pero wala. Nakuha kayo ang jersey number 20. Number 12. There's a hindi naman daw sinasayaw. Masyad daw.
Go, Fahad.
Magitan, DJ na board. Manaw and Boss Amos. Ay, Boss Blue pala. Shout out. Jersey number 11 from downtown.
Isa.
Iba, by jersey number 12. Forward pass. By jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Galing by T. Paso, Mr. Manaw. To jersey number 17. Fakes. Trap us again. Yes, it's double 3 ball. Downtown, lima jersey number 20, it's a foul. Wow, jersey number 24, hitting on the head. First personal foul, first team foul. $18 seconds to shoot. Ali, gonna back the ball from the inbound. Jersey number 1 from downtown, they're good. Rebound by Moore. Moore, speed ball, sorry. Nauna yung bola. Serrati, jersey number 1, Tom. Meron na naman tayong foul doon. Foul on jersey number 24. Foul jersey number 24. Second personal foul and second team foul. Para sa kunanan, Dato Lakay. First round, jersey number 1. It's good. Drop. Second blind, all good. Oy, shadow pick.
Oy!
Stevie.
Yan! Hindi. Get the ball!
Manaw. Sa ilalim. Oh, meron tayong foul doon. Foul.
Galit na si Jan!
Two shots.
Shoot mo dyan!
Substitution rep. First personal foul, yung first team foul para sa punahan ng tagpuan. Ano, the free throw line, first try. It's good. Second try. It's good again. 2 for 2 at the line. Para jersey number 0. Substitution rep. Mano. Pasok na, pasok na.
Mainit. Go, Jake!
Tumatakbo na yung oras. Pabulin mo, Rep! Alin from downtown, Note, Rico Bata. Lapit na kayo kay jersey number 12. Good pass to Manaw. Manaw, yung first teammate, setting a play. Back to move. Move. 5. Shot 3 point. No good. Rico Bata, Mr. Ali. Ali, jersey number 6. Nagmamadali. What the hell you doing? That's nothing. One pass para kay jersey number 216. Papas! Papas! Tagpuan! 36-2 yung watching. Sa bahay nila. Ali! Reverse mo! Nilabas pa!
Defense!
Side-stepping moves.
Go, Lights!
Jersey number 2. Wide. Black. Jersey number 1. Back.
Yes!
Jersey number 18.
Go, Liza!
Oh, gusto ulit sumumo. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Jersey number 2 from downtown. Short. Kapas for the ball. 2 points. Jersey number 1 taking the ball. Jersey number 1 setting the play. Looking for his teammates. Jersey number 2 gusto ulit sumubo. Wala pa rin talaga. Rito Banda, lapit tayo kay Manaw.
Get the ball!
Jersey number 15. Crossover. You are.
Hoy, umahabol!
Pitch. Jersey number 2, Fox, sa malapit. Kaso wala mo na wala. Kaya kalabakdo, pagpapalitan. Kapas. No good. Substitution rep. Thirty-one score natin. Jersey number 19, pumulon. Gusto rin sumuko. Airball. Agiran pass to jersey number 26. Bro, good.
Go, Lights!
Nagmamadali. Jersey number 18. Pam. Oh, cross. Pass. Jersey number 3. No good. Makakas. Looking for his teammates. Nice.
Yes! Go, 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 go! Yes!
Goodbye. Good! Nice na naman. Wala. Katas, 40-31 sa Malen. Balik sa shot ang Kalamangan. 9 points lead para sa Tabuan. And the shoot. Daya.
Ronald!
Good. Jersey number 1, Palms in the middle. No good.
Ay, paano ba?
Spin move.
Get the ball!
Volleyball. Stay good.
Yeah!
Rebound by Ali. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1.
Yes!
Easy 2 points. 20 seconds. 15.
Defense!
10.
Oh!
3 points. That is the end. From downtown, they do it again. Oh, meron tayong pushing foul. Wow, there's number 3. On the right. First personal foul. And first free foul para sa kunahan. Yes po. Foul, pushing foul number 3.
Sinong technical?
Bola na ang tatalakay.
Bugbugan na lang.
Mariano, got a basketball. Penetrate. Back to jersey number 8 and shoot.
Wow!
Table down, 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Andaya. 5. Nice pick na yun.
Go, 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 go!
In the 3-point area, no good. Rebound by Andaya. Andaya, jersey number 8.
Get the ball!
O, ipakita mo daw kung sino ka, sabi ni Coach. Number 15, Labaw. Penetrate, nice pick. Volley moves, pero wala. Nakuha ni jersey number 3.
Shoot the ball!
Hit ang bola. Carrying the ball, that is a traveling violation. Sabi ko sa ref. Andaya. Jersey number 8, tumukon sa press, gusto sumubok. Uy! Board na board, Ali ka na basketball, Got the rebound, Wood, get the basketball. Aquino, wala. Jersey number 13. Abaw, penetrates, yes sir. 44-36, babasa anim ang Kalamangan ng Tabuan. Wood, to jersey number 7. Shoot. Aquino, 5 shoot.
Oh, shoot na!
Pounds, pinipitang shot, no good, rebound by Mariano.
Defense!
Wala ba? To jersey number 8, gusto rin sumubok. Masyado namang malakas talaga. Bola ng puti. Sabi po sa brad. Daya out, pakamasin. Ali, looking for teammates, pass jersey number 7. To 0-0, pass para kay jersey number 18. No good. Mariano by the basketball from the rebound. Makapas. Dribbling the ball.
Get the ball!
Makapas. Makapas penetrates. Bounce in the middle. No good. Rebound jersey number 7 to Ali. Mr. Ali.
Go, Ali!
To Aquino. Aquino. Penetrates. Kumangka sa pader.
Ba yan?
Substitution ref. Bumangga sa kader. Matanggal yung mga kaluluwa. Bounce lang pala, bumalik.
Defense!
Jersey number 15. Oh, meron tayong foul doon. There's a blocking foul. Jersey number 00. Butik. Third personal foul and second team foul. Substitution ref. Substitution ref. Mariano out. Nakita nil. Guys, back to the ball. Back to Marcapas. Looking for his teammates. Oh, nice nila. There's a foul. Wala po tayo. Normal foul po tayo. Duty foul po tayo. Foul, you're 50.
Go Wings!
First personal foul and first team foul. Okay, upgraded tayo sa post-man line foul. First right, all good.
Uy, ano ba nangyari kay Wings? Good
Second
job,
right is good.
Wings!
Or Ansmo. Substitution. Jersey number 18 from the inbound. Jersey number 7. Ali, back. Jersey number 7. Looking for his teammate. Penetrate to Aquino. Tumungol ng 3. Meron tayong foul doon. Foul, jersey number. Jersey number 13. First personal foul and second team foul. First ball is no good. Second ball, no good again.
Isa lang, Wings!
Good. Now, pumasok sa tatlong free throw. Abor, full labaw, no good. Rebound by Aquino to jersey number 18. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 7, back to jersey number 2. Back to jersey number 7, bounce. No good. Oh, meron tayo pushing foul doon. Pushing foul in jersey number 15. Saan dito sa rep? Second personal foul, jersey number 15, and third team foul. Jersey number 2 from downtown, no good. Oy, get foul on the jersey number 7. First personal foul and third team foul ang pamunahan namin. Nagpuan. Tapos ito sa ref. Boris ball is good. And one win. That's number 2 to Aquino.
Screen!
Aquino, crossover ball to Ali. Ten shoot. Ali, to Aquino. Aquino, pumungol lang 3. No good, masyado malakas. Mr. Ali, kalabas mo. Tops! Oh, meron tayong... not counted tayo doon. Meron tayong foul. Jersey number 0. Pushing foul. First personal foul and warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Mr. Ali. Okay, head shoot. High. About kalabas ito. Kalabas mo.
Go in! Uy, Jake!
Aquino, kalabas ito. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, 1. Jersey number 7 to Mr. Rally. 10 shoot. Jersey number 7. No good. Tino Bato.
Oh, yan!
Jersey number 6.
Good job!
Time out! That's what I'm by. Official score natin 14-39, 7 points lead para sa kunahan ng... Okay. Gusto natin ano? That's ba ito? Bagitan ni Yusuf. Sa lima, kalamangan. Tagbuan. Jersey number 2. Napakalayong press. Wala. Lima po, lima.
Defense!
Yun lang. Yun!
Coaching! Coaching!
Jersey number 2, listen up, kaliwa pa.
Yes!
Maganda yung score natin.
Coaching!
8-4-1.
Isa pa, Jake! Ganda po! Yes!
Dati kay Gul Call is back. Nawala people food. Dati ko sa red. Dati si Gul Call kasi wala ang people food. Na-stop sa gitna.
Ganda ball, guys! Yes, yes, yes! Coaching! Coaching!
Jersey number 2, Bob, sa kabilaw.
Uy!
Jersey number 7, yung Christine sa Aquino, pumugal na, uy, nice pass pa yun, walang pass pa rin.
Yes! Good job, guys!
What an extra pass. Dati extra rice na, ngayon extra pass na. Time out natin. Dalawa po.
Get the ball!
Pass using the ball. Napakalakas talaga. Aquino, agad ball from the inbound. 3 minutes and 35 seconds to this time. 50-43. Balik sa ito ang kalabangan. Aquino. Dribble mo. Pass jersey number 2. Ready to spirit. Back to Aquino. To Ali. Ali. Oh, meron tayong foul. Sa baba lang ang foul. Foul of jersey number.
Good job, Ali!
15. Pushing foul. Second personal foul and penalty. Substitution tayo. Okay. Rebound by jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Basket down. Meron tayong foul. Basket down. Plus foul in jersey number 7, pushing foul. What is wrong? Running jersey number 7, that is your fourth personal foul. And, okay, first personal foul and warning for penalty. Rebound by Mr. Ali. Jersey number 2. Set your play. Back to jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Foul. No good. Rebound. Jersey number 15. Lamar.
Defense!
Oy, nice.
Sabi yan!
First team is passed to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Nagmamadali. Fakes. Jersey number 6.
Yes!
Jersey number 0. Manaw. Pushing foul. Second personal foul and 15 penalty. Bonus goal is N1. That's one either. Nakapas. Tension. Nakapas na nakalusot. Nakapas para ka para mga siya still.
Coaching!
Jersey number 2. Corner foul para kay Chris.
Woo!
Yes, good ball. That will lang. Score natin. 55-45. Score natin.